Would you rather always have bad gas or a smelly mouth? Which one?
Smelly.
Yeah, you won't have smelly mouth every day.
But not like every day.
Bad gas.
It have to be
You
every
good
day.
to pass out your gas, but you carry smelly mouth.
No. Yes.
Yeah, choose gas to why?
Well,
Because
Because nobody not gonna know see you.
you can't blame me for somebody else.
you wanna know why? Like when a girl have this with me too, we just can't go to a gas station every day.
No, gas
Not
as
really
in
gas.
like.
Like cook gas.
Mm.
So you
Like-
have stinky.
So you want to have smelly mouth or stinky poop? Remember, if your mouth smell, but you can't blame for nobody
You can't
else.
talk to nobody.
But you can. Which one? Pick one.
Stinky.
Stinky poop.
Because
Alright.
mine are already.
Would you rather have to always hop around on one foot or have to always squat?
Hop
Like
around.
every time you walk, you have to
Hop.
squat.
Hop.
I'll probably squat with your bunda. So squat. Squat. Squat.
Would you rather have to write everything you say out by hand or only be able to speak in rhymes? Like everything you say have to rhyme or you have to write everything with your hand.
Rather to write it in your hand. Which one you rather? Speaking? So if you say, I went to the park, you have to rhyme that, you know,
So rhyme it. I went to the park. Rhyme it.
when it was dark. I like that.
No, the last and the first rhyme.
Yeah. So rhyme it.
So if you say, alright, since I just said the last and the first rhyme it with something. Exactly. So you better pick one.
Would you rather wear the same outfit for a week or wear the same hairstyle for a week?
Hairstyle.
Hairstyle.
Why?
Because we can't wear hairstyle up to months. Especially if I braid. So, but the outfit have to change.
Because if I wear just like one outfit
Then I go think so with the
a
beard.
week, I'm just gonna smell stinky.
That too.
If you died and came back as an animal, would you rather be a frog or a dog?
Dog.
Woof, woof.
No,
Which
nobody
one?
pies with me, so I go have sense. No.
I would be a dog.
Dog.
Would you rather eat food that have never been cooked or only eat cooked food?
Food.
Really? I love dry goods.
Actually, I love chili cheeks.
But I'm not eating cooked now, yeah.
Fried chili cheeks.
Would you rather have a life without air conditioning or never be able to use deodorant?
I feel like air conditioning. Well, we have wind. We have wind for a reason. Air. Go outside, go take in air.
So I would use without air conditioning.
Okay, madam. Would you rather go a year without eyelashes or a year without eyebrows?
Eyelashes.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
But everything I'm gonna eye.
Well, wear glasses.
Would you rather be a high school teacher or a clown?
High school teacher.
High school teacher.
High school teacher? Would you rather to never be able to bathe again or never be able to brush your teeth?
That is a risky one still. Well, I'm providing one for not brush your teeth.
Don't brush your teeth, then I'm gonna drop that. I'm gonna run.
Well, I'm not carrying no green
Your
number.
body can't clean itself.
Well,
We can
you
just
say
wa-
never to
use
bathe again.
water.
Why say
No, you
never to
can't bathe
never
at
to
all.
bathe again? You can't wipe off. You never say you can't wipe off with wipes.
I would bathe.
We keep the bathe
Bathe.
one.
Would you rather poop in the only toilet at a party knowing that you'll clog it? Let me see there, bung up the toilet. Or poop in the bushes in the backyard, which is the front yard of a neighbor.
The one, the neighbor.
What I do? People see ya.
I don't like in here, but
I would do
Me I do it in the toilet.
And if you don't know you.
toilet.
As much as I want party, you know, so.
Ooh, it
No
can't be
people- no
anybody.
people go to there.
Yeah.
And the final question. Would you rather be a chicken for one day or a cow for one day?
Chicken.
No, nobody really.
You know who be one.
But then you know, G, it could be chicken, what if they decide to kill the
Suppose they're killing me.
Cow.
Who's a killing me?
They could have killed you
Well-
and cook you on the same day.
Well, I don't know. So yeah.
Would you rather be born without knees? I don't miss that last one. Without knees or without elbows?
Elbows.
If you're not elbow, you're not go straight like this, you can't bend your hand.
Ah, yeah, but if your knee, your foot will go straight, so you can't go bending.
You don't have to bend.
So how you go sit down? Yeah, sit down as you have to go sit down.
That's straight now, tell me. You don't have no knee.
Alright, so I'm gonna go to knee.
Which one? I said G.
Knee. Okay. Hiya.
Oh,
Anyways, guys, thank you for watching.
and please subscribe.
And hit the notification.